In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple copies of a file in Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in your browser. And I'm assuming you are already logged in. Now locate the file you want to create multiple copies of. For example, mine is called Make a Copy File. You can use any file you want here. Double-click on that file to open it in a new tab. Now go to the address bar at the top of your browser. You need to select the file ID. This is the long string of characters located between /d, / and /edit. Highlight that part carefully, then right-click and click Copy. Once you've copied it, save it somewhere safe for now so you can easily paste it later. Next, open a new browser tab and go to script.google.com. Once you're on the page, click New Project on the upper left corner. Then click on Untitled Project and enter your project name. For example, mine is called Make Copies. You will now see the default code inside the editor. Select all of it and delete it so the editor is completely empty. Now paste the code shown on your screen. I will also put this code in the description so you can easily copy it from there. Inside the code you just pasted, look for the part that says your file ID here. Delete that text, then paste your actual file ID that you copied earlier. Right below that, you will see the number of copies. Change that number to how many copies you want to generate. For example, you can type 10 if you want to create 10 copies. Once everything is set, click the Save Project icon at the top. After saving, click the Run button, which is the play icon in the toolbar. If this is your first time running the script, you will see an authorization required message. Click Review Permissions. Now select your Google account. After that, click Advanced, then click Go to your file name Unsafe. Don't worry about that message. This is safe because you are the one running the script. Now click Allow to grant the script permission to manage files in your Google Drive. Once it starts running, you will see execution started at the bottom of the screen. Wait for it to finish, and once you see that the execution is completed, go back to your Google Drive folder. You will now see that the script has automatically generated multiple copies of your file in the same folder as the original. You can now rename those copies however you like. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.